What is happening, guys? Welcome back to Wicked Garage. I'd like to introduce you to our next big build. As always, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this build, because this is going to be the coolest, craziest, and very personal build for my customer and the channel. Now, this video is just a little bit of an introduction to this next build that will be coming after this landscape bed build. And it is going to be wild, and it is going to be a while to build. It's not going to be built in a month or 2 or 3. This is going to be over the next several months, maybe a little bit longer. And hopefully on this build we can get some sponsors so that we can do some cooler stuff with this. So if you are a company that is interested, just reach out and let us know, because obviously we will be getting stuff from LMC Trucks. We are interested in looking into lift and upgraded suspension options, as well as axles and engine and trans and interior. So this is going to be really cool, and who knows, this might end up being a SEMA next year. I don't know. I don't know. It would be cool to be there, but I mean, especially with this build, it's going to be so unique and personal, and I want to go and really take my time and make this a very nice show quality build. There is a ton of work, and we do have to save this cab. This cab is the main focus of this entire truck. So there is no getting a new cab or anything like that. We're keeping the steering wheel. Obviously the interior is going to be gutted, and it's just the nostalgia of having something that his father and him had when he was growing up, and being able to actually drive it once again and have something completely unique and cool for the next generation, aka his son. So with that being said, it's a short video, but I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of what's going on with this, because I am ecstatic about this build and excited to start this build. It is a lot of work, and you're going to see it through the months going on. This isn't, just a quick, throw together and done kind of thing, or just a body. We are going to be building a body, a bumper, doing the front end, doing high quality paint, which is most likely going to be getting sent up to my uncle's to do all the paint work, because I want it done right so that my customer doesn't have any issues down the line. And this is going to be a whole different level than I normally do in finishes. So obviously I want 100% professional doing the paint work, and when you spray it right, this thing's going to look absolutely gorgeous. So I will see you guys in the next video, and until then, peace out. Have a great rest of your weekend, and let's get into building this K10. Yeah, baby.